go.
Good morning. Taking a peek in today at this job site, see some progress that's happened over the past 24 hours or so. We've been able to install some of the beautiful Amish cabinetry the homeowner has selected. We are making our way into the dining room with new hardwood flooring.
They made a lot of progress yesterday.
Absolutely.
Got about half the space done here.
Beautiful.
Carefully placing it and getting everything in order. And that same floor,
that wood floor is now going to also be into the family room. We've designed that with a center inlay carpet. So it's going to have a border of hardwood, then with the carpeting in the center.
oh, that'll be nice. That'll be really nice. And this floor is the same throughout all the way back there, correct?
Kitchen floor travels all the way back through the back entryway and into the laundry room.
Okay, why don't you walk us back there just so we can kind of see where everything there is. If folks have not been following along on social with this project, this is a complete rework back here for layout, for purpose.
Originally, yeah, we demoed all of this space and reinvented the powder room and created a locker area. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning. Hey, here's one of the carpenters.
Hello.
You guys got a lot done yesterday. Seriously. What's your favorite part that you've, I guess, what's your favorite, like, specialty cabinet anywhere?
I like the walk-in pantry.
Yeah, oh, show it to us.
Always a favorite.
And you guys put that thing up pretty quickly, too, because, again, these are custom cabinets.
Looks like a normal pantry cabinet.
This seems normal, right? Just about 2 feet deep. Nope. And this, Rachel, was all
Yes,
unused
this
space.
actually was the laundry room previously, and we made modifications to it to provide a walk-through pantry.
Yep, and so we, you guys punched the hole through the wall and kind of, we came in it that way.
I cut the hole in the wall into the other room.
Yes.
And then had to frame up the other side of the pantry wall.
Yeah, but this is really taking shape, really, really nice. Rachel, why don't you open that one that's on the far right that,
We'll sneak
yeah.
peek at some storage solutions here. This is a utensil organizer base cabinet.
Very nice. Awesome. So we mentioned this floor here, but let's show off the laundry floor because I know a lot, or the powder room floor because
Yes.
a lot of people are excited about that.
Yes. This farm style tiled floor is one of my favorite pieces to the puzzle of this project.
Very, very cool. All right. Well, we're going to let you guys get back to work so you can turn your tunes back on and everything. But let me just ask you a couple things that aren't really in place yet that you're excited about. So what would those be?
So as we finish this up, decorative hardware is kind of a key element. Very on trend right now are the gold tones, and so the homeowner has selected those for their faucet finishes. There is going to be a wall-mounted faucet over the range. It's also in that finish, so kind of fun new features that we're going to be able to share with you soon.
I'm excited about that. I hope my gasps didn't come through in this video because I didn't realize that. And so they are doing a pot filler. I was wondering when I saw that plumbing, I was hoping that was the case with that hood.
Yes.
So that's what this rough-in area here is. They're going to have a pot filler, which is going to be really, really fantastic. And then in this room, just again, because we're kind of checking in, if you haven't been following along, this room already had these awesome ceilings and a beam, but what did we do? We have not hung the new lighting yet, but what did our guys do to this beam?
So we added the reclaimed material that you see that's at the peak of the ceiling, just to give that a contrast against the original wood stained ceiling that they already had. And then we're going to be also darkening all of the trim work throughout to kind of pop and coordinate with the new stained cabinetry.
Speaking of, would you open up one of those pocket doors for us just to kind of show an example of this darker stain that more complements this?
So these are beautiful.
Yeah, you hadn't even seen these yet.
No.
Very nice. Well, awesome. Thank you so much, Rachel, for showing us around. We are so excited about this project.